So today what I want to do is talk about the criticism that Southernprepper1 has been receiving based upon him providing instruction on sniping. And a lot of people don't understand the kind of threats you can receive from long range. If you look back through the history of guerrilla war, conventional war, irregular warfare, you'll see that a lot of times homesteads, small towns, and installations were assaulted from long range in order to pin them down, create casualties, or prevent movement. A lot of times a small force would provide long-range precision fire or long-range area fire in order that a more primitive force equipped only with short-range weapons could close and destroy the target. So all of the criticism that Southernprepper1 is receiving is just from ignorance. And I've talked extensively about sniping both urban and rural, including car hides and other subjects that people really didn't want to discuss. Now, you should always have some type of long-range capacity, both precision and area. A lot of people, the skill level and the equipment will determine where your equipment goes from precision to area fire. Even if you don't have the skill to snipe, providing long-range area fire against targets that are engaging you can help you with movement and suppression of an attack. So a lot of this people don't think through before they criticize. So please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next episode.